Welcome, and thanks again for the opportunity to help your business. In this how-to video, we'll show you how you can easily add email addresses to your marketing list or customer database. Simply log into the Do-It-Yourself portal and click on Step 1, Upload File from the left-hand menu. Email Append requires your file to contain a name and address, so please be sure these fields are included in your file before you upload. To begin, select the database format of your file. As you can see, we accept most third-party database formats to include Excel, Access, DBase, CSV, and pretty much all of the text delimited formats. Click the blue Browse button to open the File dialog and browse for your file on your computer. In Step 2, you'll be required to select the services you want to perform on your file. In this sample tutorial, we will be performing an email append. If you would like your file to be prioritized in our processing queue, you can choose to perform real-time processing, in which we guarantee to have your results back within a 4-hour turnaround time. Although depending on file size, we can typically have your file back within the hour. While we're scrolling down to the email append section, just a quick note that there's a proprietary 7-step validation process that we perform, which automatically identifies addresses known to be associated with spam traps, invalid emails and domains, role accounts, complainers, known hard bounces, and undeliverable email addresses. In other words, every email appended to your list will automatically go through this 7-step validation process. Select the checkbox Append Email Address to my file. You can optionally select Append Name, Address Verification Code. Next, you can select some optional demographics. In this sample video, we'll select Domain to be appended to our file. Finally, you can select to append address fields to your file. You'll notice that these address fields are appended at no charge. As mentioned before, email append requires your file to contain name and address fields. In Step 3, we will go through the exercise in mapping each of the name and address fields. Now, to continue to the following step, click the Next button located at the top of your screen. Each column of data has a drop-down box. Simply use these drop-down boxes to identify your name, address, city, state, and zip fields in your file. When you're done, click the Next button to continue. Okay, Step 4 is used to preview and confirm your order. You'll have an opportunity to review the selected services before continuing to the credit card checkout page. If you'd like to reference this job, you can enter a custom PO number in the text box field provided. To continue to the next step, click the Confirm Order button. In the final step, you'll be required to enter your credit card information. You can optionally save your billing profile to make future checkouts easier. We do not store credit card information on our servers. Instead, we utilize Authorize.net to securely provide these services for us. Once you finish entering your billing information, click on the blue Submit button to authorize your credit card and submit this job to our processing queue. Congratulations, you have created a work order and submitted your file for processing. Feel free to click the Print button to download a PDF version of your work order. In this sample video tutorial, we uploaded a very small file, so the next step was immediately available to us. However, there might be instances where you upload a very large file with hundreds of thousands of records, which may take our servers a little longer than normal to prepare your file for processing. In this case, you'll receive an email notification with your input file layout. This email notification will be your indicator that you can continue to the next step of selecting your services. In addition, you'll receive an email notification of your output layout. This layout will include a list of fields appended along with a detailed description of the field values. Finally, you'll receive an email notification with an invoice attached to indicate that your file has finished processing. Simply return to the Do-It-Yourself portal to download your final output files. To refresh the current status, click the dashboard icon from the top menu. Next, click the Download Results button to navigate to the File portal to download your output result files. Lastly, to download the results, click the checkbox next to Final Output Package and click the blue Download Selected Files button. Your final zip file will contain your appended data along with the matching layouts. Once again, thanks for choosing UpdateYourList.com.